so blue, birds awake and begin to strew their songs of joy. Their wings take flight, dancing in the air, a wondrous sight. With feathers bright, in hue so bold, they soar above their tails untold. From sparrows small to eagles grand, each one unique across the land. The robin sings its sweet refrain, while hummingbirds zip like a tiny train. The owl moves softly in night, guiding us with its wisdom's light. From nests they build with tender care, to eggs they lay a treasure rare. Their lives a symphony of grace, in every flutter, every chase. So let us watch with eyes wide, as birds of every shape and stripe fill the room with melody sweet, a gift of nature so complete. Fill the world with melody sweet, a gift of nature so complete.
With feathers bright, in hue so bold, they soar above their tails untold. From sparrows small to eagles grand, each one unique across the land. The robin sings its sweet refrain, while hummingbirds zip like a tiny train. The owl hoots softly in the